trick 3, loading spinner animation in Axure. So it is very simple. We'll drag and drop a spinner icon, then we'll set the style effect to spinner icon, and then we have a page loaded interaction, and then add action to rotate a spinner icon, and then we'll say like a page text if we want to show some welcome text after loading the spinner. So let's start. Here we'll create one demo page, and as I say, like, it is very simple. Just we need to drag and drop a icon. So here I have drag and drop one spinner icon. I can say spinner. If you want to name it, name it. So it will be a very easy to select in action. Now, so here an interaction, we just need a page loaded and widget action as rotate. A spinner. So here you can see clockwise and counterclockwise. So we'll select the clockwise and then 2. So the circular action, it will be a 360-degree. If we want to give like a rotation in a move, so we can just double it like a 360, 720, like this. So here we'll use 7, 2, 0 and 0. So here I'll enter the value, and this animation, so there is a like a non-swing linear, so we'll select the swing, and here it is 36,000 fine ms. So we'll see how it looks like. We'll preview it. Yeah, it is fine. And after loading, we need to add some text. So for that, we'll add one box. We'll keep aside. So box with no border, and we'll give color here. We'll fill with this color, and if you want any other, you can fill it. Next, this is spinner, so make it front. This is spinner, here is front. Now you can align the spinner like center and middle. Change the spinner color, so fill color white I have given. If you want to add the border or a box shadow, so you can add here shadow. And then next, so we'll preview this. It is looking fine. Now next, we'll add welcome text. We'll drag and drop, and we'll say welcome to Axure, and we'll hide the border. We can give font size little bigger. Yeah. So now font color, if it is a white, it will look good. And now it is not showing, so make it the background. So here, this is a welcome text. Hide it. So before that, we'll align. This is fine, I think. Okay. So we'll hide this. And how we'll add an interaction. So after rotate, we can add weight. So weight for 3000 ms, and then show height, show welcome. And before showing the welcome, we need to hide this spinner, otherwise this spinner will appear there. So we'll hide this spinner first and then show welcome. If you want to add animation, fade, add this, we'll preview. So a spinner and then welcome to Axio. If you want to add some additional pages like login page and all, so for that you need to convert this in dynamic panel. Only this, right click and create a dynamic panel. You can come and can say state 2, you can say login, and here you can, here I will use the bootstrap theme. So bootstrap library with me, so I will use some login. So form is here, use this form. Before that, one trick, it's like you make it lock. If we make it lock, we can move this form entirely anywhere in this board. So we need just email and password. So make it white, and then we need button. So we'll use this button here as login. So now the login page, we need to add it here. So rotate is done, then wait, then show the welcome text, and after welcome text we want to add the login page. We'll come here, we'll say wait, and then set panel state, so this dynamic panel, and here login. If you want to add some animation like slide down and slide up, you can add it here. And before that, while we are setting this, we need to hide the welcome text. So hide this welcome text, we'll preview. So spinner is loaded, welcome to Axure, and now login page. So how is the trick? Please let me know, add your comment, subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.